To celebrate Sesame Place's birthday.
Tonight, our fireworks show is presented by Sesame. And now,
Sesame Place is proud to present C is for Celebrate.
he just heard you need to start with letter C. Something we got that me got. That's the word. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We just realized this. Brilliant. Follow me, okay? A round cookie with one bite on it. Look like a C. Now, a round donut with one bite on it. Also look like a C. But not as good as a cookie. So, one more time. C for cookie is good. You know, C for cookie is good. You know, C for cookie is good. So, cookies. Bring it home. Yeah, baby. And you stop with the letter C. Because I'm really hurt. I do. Sitting down all get carried away. Slowly get faster. Once I'm started counting, it's very hard to stop. Faster, yeah, it's so exciting. I can count forever, count until I drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, I love counting. Whatever the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh yeah, of course, me completely understand count, yeah. But me also want to clarify. C also for 1, 2, 3, 4. C is also 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. Yeah, C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. It's so exciting. I can forever. Word.
Sure like counting.
Ah, yes. A kindred spirit.
And I really like eating cookies.
Yeah, she one smart fairy.
You know how much I love circular clouds and colorful carnations. Yeah, they're cool. But look, everybody. We've got lots of friends here today.
Yes, like children of the...
And they all want to see one very special word that starts with a letter C. Celebration.
You know. Wow, nice fighting effect.
Sing a song, sing out loud, sing out strong, sing of good things, not bad. Sing of bad sounds.
Amazing. I have so many goosebumps.
It's your turn. Are you ready? Everybody sing with me. Come on, kids.
So many to count.
Wait till you see what I'm just
Take this puppy. Yes, by all means.
Yeah, Elmo. Can Abby make a really big celebration up in the sky?
Wonderful.
Okay, everybody, let's make this celebration extra special. Wow, this last night is really fun.
Thank you for watching Presented by the Sesame. Sesame Place is now closed. So